Hi, this is Nish from Econ Systems. We are at Automotive 2023 at Detroit. We have a couple of cool demos we are showcasing here in Detroit. One among them, I would like to showcase Econ's 360-degree bird-eye view camera, ErnieCam 20. This ErnieCam 20 comprises of 4 GMSL SteadyCam 21 cameras. Along with that, you can see GMSL cables connected to an NVIDIA AGX Orin. Basically the distance from we can communicate up to 15 meters from the host to the camera. Apart from that, we are also providing our proprietary image stitching algorithm along with this camera. And that's it pretty much. To know more about this product, please visit our website econsystems.com. And apart from that, we have our technical solutions team members who will be able to support you more in detail. Thank you. Have a great day.